just feel the need to smell it. No, if I smell it, I won't be able to drink it because I already want to puke. Sorry, I just burped mustard.
I just got an after burp of ranch and mustard. Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Campbell Chronicles. Today, we are going to go for round 2 of our soda taste testing. And I have a family full of thrilled people to be back and trying yet again another, not 6 this time, but 7 new soda flavors. Some I gotta say are going to be interesting. Here we are.
Hello. Hi.
That's all she's got.
That's all I got. Try and keep it together.
She's not really feeling this one today, so we'll see how it goes. Without further ado, let's go over and review our sodas. First up, well, not in any particular order, we have Buffalo Wing Soda. This is another one by Lester's Fixins, and it says, y'all get your fixins. Buffalo Wing. Yummy. Next up we have is Martian Poop. Martian Poop. I love the little picture of the little swirly log cabin they have built there. Worms Ooze. Yummy. It's kind of got like this orange tint to it. It's Worms Ooze. Oh, I just looked at this. There's stuff floating around in the bottom of this one. Yummy. Mustard. Mustard. There's no other. This is just mustard soda. Apparently it's supposed to taste like mustard. One that I'm not sure how it's going to taste. I think this kind of food can go on just about anything, but I don't know about this one. Ranch soda. Ranch dressing soda. I don't know. This is going to be interesting. Gross Gus's Pirate's Piss. Yeah. It's got the right tonnage for a dehydrated pirate. Last but not least, again, something that I probably wouldn't ever imagine being in a soda. Pickle flavored soda. Ugh. Gross. Emily, what one are you most excited to try?
Buffalo wing soda. It sounds normal.
Buffalo wing soda sounds normal?
Out of all of them, yeah.
I'm ready to try Worms Ooze. Martian Poop.
Why?
Because I like that one.
We're going to let Laurel start us off here. Laurel, which one do you want to try first?
Martian Poop.
All right, and just like last time, we have our dear friend Ralph with us. A Ralph bucket, just in case anybody decides to toss their cookies. We can catch them all. That's right, Ralph. So here we go with Martian Poop. Ooh, she gives it a thumbs up. What does it taste like, Laurel?
Martian Poop.
It tastes like Martian Poop. Have you had Martian Poop before?
No. Mm-mm.
No? Jackson's turn to try Martian Poop. Jackson, what do you think it's gonna taste like?
The same as the other taste testing, like the bloody nose. I hope it's gonna taste like cherry again.
So he wants it to taste like cherry. Well, I guess there's only one way to find out. Jackson, why don't you take a big old swig of Martian Poop?
Two thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
2
Really?
thumbs up. 2 for Martian.
Yeah? Okay, Jackson, why do you give it a 2 thumbs up?
Because it tastes like cherry again.
Tastes like cherry? Okay.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Mom,
Mommy, do you need the Ralph bucket?
No. I just feel the need to smell it.
Big swoop.
Not good. Not the worst thing we've had.
Martian Poop.
Smell it first.
Ooh, it smells like poop. I don't know. Maybe it might smell like Martian poop, I guess. I don't know. I've never really smelled Martian poop. Here we go. Oh. Yeah, it's got a weird aftertaste to it. It's not that great. I mean, it's not. Well, yeah, the aftertaste is gross. Here we go. On to the next one. Jackson, which one did you want to try?
Mustard soda.
He wants to give the mustard soda a try. I have to say I'm not too excited for this one. I think it's going to taste like mustard, like too much water and mustard, and not too excited, but here we go. I just cracked it and I gave it a I gave it a whiff, and I'm not excited about this one at all. Laurel, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, here you go.
Wow. What
What does it taste like?
Nothing.
Does it taste like mustard?
No.
No? Alright, she can't really nail down a explanation. Is it gross?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't like it? She says it's gross. She can't really. She says it tastes like nothing. So, Jackson, you ready?
Oh yeah, that smells like a rotten burrito from breakfast. I think I'm the good one for that.
We got Ralph here, dude. We got Ralph. This is why we have Ralph. You okay?
Yes.
Woo! Wow. We got a good gag there. What did it taste like?
Rotten mustard.
Rotten mustard. Was it gross?
Yes.
Is it still in your mouth? Is it still in your mouth?
Yes.
All right, let's hurry up so we can get to the next one. Emily, you're up. It's time for some mustard.
No, if I smell it, I won't be able to drink it because I already want to puke. I don't even like mustard.
Me either. Me either. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming.
Come on, big swigs. Big swigs. You gotta taste it. Big swigs.
I did taste it.
Big swigs. Put some in your mouth.
Oh!
Smell it.
No,
now.
don't smell it.
I want to do I want to do the wet.
That's disgusting.
What does it taste
Because
like?
you know what mustard tastes like, and it is what you expect.
So it is a true mustard soda?
It is. It's disgusting.
After Jackson's reaction and Laurel's and Emily's, I don't know. I'm not too excited about this. So, mustard soda. Here we go.
Wow.
Oh. That's awful. It smells like the bottom of a mustard bottle that's been in the back of your fridge for at least a month. Ugh. Oh. That's bad. That's really bad. All right, Emily. Now that that's done with, which one do you want to try next?
Let's do buffalo wing.
All right, Laurel. It's time for some buffalo chicken soda. 2 hands. Goodness, she just goes for it. Look at this girl. Is it good or bad?
No, it's bad. It's bad.
You want to try another one?
No.
No? All right, Jackson.
Oh! Sorry, I just burped mustard. No.
Good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
You like it? Are you willing to try it again?
No, but
Give it
I
another
like
sip. You like it?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh! I could drink this like a regular soda.
Really? Is that good?
After the fact, it's got kind of like that buffalo burn afterward, but it doesn't taste like buffalo to me. It tastes like it tastes like a creamsicle, but then you get like a little after burn, like wings. Interesting.
All right, here we go. Yeah, it's there. You're right. It does have that initial like orange cream flavor, but then afterwards you get that taste of buffalo sauce. I mean, it's not the worst. It's better than mustard, that's for sure. Pretty good. All right, my turn to pick. We're gonna give the Worms Ooze a shot here. All right, Laurel, Worms Ooze.
Two thumbs up.
2 thumbs up? How come?
Because I like the
Give it a shot.
my least favorite so far.
Your least favorite? Let's give it a go.
Can do a big gulp.
I've tasted something like this before. Yeah. Oh, it gets worse.
Big one.
I have no words.
Here's Worm Ooze, which... Whoa, hold on.
No.
Ralph just got called a little bit here. You good?
Yes.
All right, here we go.
Smell it first.
Oh, gross. You're right. These flavors, you've had it before, but not in a soda. Oh, it's not good. It's not good. I mean, I would drink this over mustard, but this is not good. It looks like it's apple cider, but it's not apple at all. In fact, the flavor is orange kiwi, and that mixed with the sugar cane, and it's not good. Here we go. 3 left. Laurel, which one of these do you want to try?
The ranch.
The ranch?
Yeah. So everyone can puke for a reason.
I guess Laurel wants everybody to puke for a reason. So here we go with ranch. Laurel with the ranch.
Oh my god. You chugged it. You chugged it, but you... I need a bucket.
You need the bucket? Jackson, here we go. You just have to do 1 big gulp and we can move on.
It totally tastes like ranch.
It tastes like ranch? Is that a good thing or a bad thing? You like ranch on some things, don't you?
Yeah, with some.
Do you like
Not
ranch?
soda.
Not soda.
I'm so glad that this makes you happy. No. No. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
For a second there, I thought you... Oh. She's losing it. For a second there, I thought you were going to be okay. Was it the aftertaste?
No,
What is it?
the whole thing. If that was renamed, that would go perfect with the name of one we did last time.
Oh. Pickle Buzz?
No.
Pickle Pop?
Mm-mm.
Which one?
Vomit.
Oh,
No
really?
joke.
Wow, that bad?
I have had that every day for the last 2 months with morning sickness. I know that taste. That is exactly what it tastes when you throw up.
Whoa.
If that is named vomit, that would be accurately named.
They didn't exactly instill confidence in me. I'm not exactly thrilled to try this one, so here we go. Oh, gross. That is horrible. That is horrible. There is ranch flavor in there. You can definitely taste it. Oh gosh. No, it lingers. Oh, it lingers bad. We need to move on. This one's going next to mustard for one of the worst.
Oh no!
That's disgusting. Ah. All right, gross guesses, Pirate's Piss, starting with Laurel. 2 hands, please.
Oh man. Oh man. Oh man.
You like it?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
2 thumbs up?
Yeah.
Give it another swig.
I know that smell, but I don't know what it is.
Big gulp.
I think Mommy will like that one. It's not that bad.
It's not that bad?
Yeah.
Not as bad as ranch, huh?
Yeah. I know that taste and smell. Just I do not know what it is.
Is it pee?
No.
I hope you don't know the taste of pee.
Smells like rubber cement. It's kind of pineapple undertone. Better than any of those.
You heard it from Emily. Better than any of those. She likes the flavor of piss.
Piss.
Here we go, Pirate's Piss. Tastes like banana.
Oh, that's one.
Yeah. It's a banana soda. Cool. Banana. It's not bad. Yeah, it tastes like banana soda. It's not bad actually. I like it. It's not bad. I'd drink this one again for sure. Here we go. Last one of the day. Pickle flavored soda. Ugh.
Yeah, I'm not gonna have this one.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Everybody is.
I don't like pickles either.
You do too.
No,
You have them with your cheeseburgers. Everybody's gonna give it a swig. Starting with Laurel.
No, we're not
Here you go.
starting with. Wow.
That wasn't that much.
What's it taste like? Oh, she's going again. On her own free will.
Oh man.
Is it good? Is it bad? What do you think?
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. She likes pickle. All right, Jackson. Pickle flavored. Here you go. You're not supposed to smell it. There you go. How is it? Oh, we got a spitter. It's gross? Yeah. You are a one brave kid. Mommy's favorite food in the world put into a drink. Here we go. Pickle soda. Emily.
I'm not a soda drinker really, and I hate pickles and cucumbers. So this is a great day.
I'm gonna choose 2 yummy ones next
Here we
time.
go. You smelled it. You're not supposed to smell it.
I was trying not to.
There you go.
It's gross.
That's
Pickles.
gross.
Hate that flavor. But I would do. I'm not saying I will, but I would do 3 more swigs of this than lick ranch.
Wow.
Here you go.
Pickle flavored soda. Here we go. Ooh. No, it smells like pickles in there.
Yeah, it definitely tastes like pickles too.
I wonder if it kind of makes me feel like I'm going to just start chugging out of a pickle jar.
Pickle juice.
Yeah, pickle juice. Ugh. That's gross.
No. I like pickles a lot, but... Oh.
Hate pickles. I hate pickles. I wish it was called pickle puss.
That is not good. That's one over there. That is gross. Laurel, what was your favorite flavor for today?
I like the pickle.
She likes the pickle one?
Ugh.
That's your favorite?
Pickle puss.
Okay. All right. Jackson, what was your favorite?
Out of all of them, I'm just gonna say, for the one that is maybe the awesomest one that I like, it's Martian Poop. And my least favorite, definitely pickle, ranch, and mustard.
Those are your least favorite?
Those are not.
What was your least favorite?
One that was yucky. Super yucky. You don't ever want to drink again.
The ranch.
Ranch, yeah.
So you'd think they'd go together, but they don't. Best was buffalo wing. Worst is ranch, hands down.
Wait, which one?
It was awful.
Yeah, I have to say my favorite was probably actually the Pirate's Piss. Yeah, the banana soda, it wasn't bad at all. I mean, as long as you don't think of urine while you're drinking it, you'll be fine. And once you smell it, it's like, oh yeah, I can smell the banana in there for sure. No, it tasted actually pretty good. My least favorite, I don't know. It's either going to be the mustard or the ranch. Those were both hideously disgusting. I would probably say the ranch was the worst. The pickle was honorable mention for the worst, but the ranch or the mustard definitely beat them. Thank you for joining us again on another wonderful adventure of soda taste testing. Again, all these sodas were found at Rocket Fizz. There's one down in downtown Salt Lake, and I know it's a chain, they have them all over. But if you're ever interested in trying these out, try out Rocket Fizz. They have a lot of different flavors there, some that we haven't even tried yet. I don't know, maybe we'll come back with another round. What do you say?
No!
Yes! No!
Thanks for watching. We'll see you real soon.
Soda ever.
Good thing I love my husband. A lot.
All right, well, they didn't exactly instill She likes pickle. Ooh.